What is the #1 way to master a skill? Repetition. Like working out, when you repeatedly sketch, you grow, you get better. If you're looking to loosen up your style while having precision so you can have more fun and produce quicker results, I'm teaching live workshops every single week on Zoom. I learned from travel sketching that as you transform, your art transforms. And I'm here to guide you in your transformation. If you want to see my credentials, I got some sketchbooks right here. We'll be creating sketches something like this. You'll be able to sketch something like this in under 60 minutes. So hey, I'm really excited to be able to share this experience with you. We'll be meeting every single week. It's like a workout. The more you sketch, the better you get. I'll see you there.